Okay, ladies, so now we're going to talk about the load. So we covered the stance, and now as we're going into the load, I'm going to have Tony get into her 50-50 stance. And now when you load, you're bringing your bat into your backside, right? So you're going to load up, but you don't lean back to the back. You still need the 50-50 separation where you're evenly over your knees inside of your feet and you're ready to go. Your hands are going to be with your bat. Your eyes are looking forward. Your hands and your bat are going to be here, up around your shoulder, up near your ear, right? It doesn't have to be all the way up next to the ear, but you want it to be up here so that you're ready. And there can be a little bit of movement as you're getting ready for your swing, right? But you're getting ready for this side. Now, the other thing I want you to notice what Tony has done is she's taken her hips and she's turned her hips slightly to the back, but she didn't lean to the back, right? So she's getting ready for the hip or the torso rotation. And as you go through your rotation and you get the torque started on your swing, you're going to start with your hips back. And then as you go into the swing in the next drill for your stride and separation, you'll see her hips in a minute will start to rotate around, but her shoulder stays where it is. Now notice in this load that I don't have her hands all the way out here. In this load, this elbow is usually up more. You have this kind of V or L in the elbows, and the hands are up here and ready to go. And we don't want a lot of movement, right? So you're here and your movement is going to be going forward. It's not going to be going back and then into the swing. You're losing time by going back. You're already in position as we get into the stride and into your swing, where the bat, as she gets into her load and starts her swing, the bat will automatically start getting ready to turn. So let me show that. So you've gotten into the load, and now what ends up happening is this shoulder is slightly higher. So when you load, you're even, right? So a little bit more to this side. So you maintain that K posture. Shoulder down to the knee, from shoulder, belly button to knee, and that gives you your K, okay? And now that you're here and you're ready to go, right, then what ends up happening is when you start into your swing, you get a little bit of rock the baby. You're going to see your shoulders will start doing this, okay? Now, some of you in practice, I have you do a very exaggerated seesaw, and I'll show you that in a second, because I'm trying to get you used to understanding that your shoulders are not turning this way. Your shoulders are going up and down in this part of the swing. And once you put everything together, then it becomes a smooth motion over time. So what I'm going to have Tony do is the rock the baby drill. So she's going to come in and she's going to put her hand on her bat the way she normally would. This hand here, and then she's going to rock the baby. And you'll notice as she's rocking the baby that her shoulders are going up and down as if she was holding and rocking a baby. What you do not see is the bat turning or going side to side. And a lot of you, when you get into the load, you're going back, do rock the baby. A lot of you, when you get in your load, you start back with your shoulder, with the left shoulder. All right, we want you to get focused on rock the baby. You can do this drill in the mirror, and you're going side to side. All right, so go back into your load. Now, I also want you to understand the seesaw drill. In the seesaw drill, what you're understanding is how your elbows switch. So in the seesaw, if you had a seesaw, it goes up and down this way. There is no movement back to back. It's just up and down. And this is what we're going to do with your shoulders. Right? So if you do the seesaw, what you'll see is this elbow goes down, this elbow comes up, and you'll see this movement. And when you do that, what ends up happening is your bat is now already coming in position so that as you get ready to swing, you're going in. Palms up, palms down, and you're getting ready to go into your swing, okay? And then we'll go through and cover that as you go through the stride and the separation, all right? 50-50, K posture, you get the hands up, the bat can be up a little bit here, you're up close to your ears around your right shoulder, this shoulder's a little bit higher, this shoulder's a little bit lower. When you start the swing in the rock the baby, your shoulders will start switching, which drops your bat and starts getting it into your bat path that we'll cover just in a minute. All right, hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.